You finally got the raise you wanted, so why does your bank account still feel just as tight? A bigger salary feels like the answer. For most people, it quietly becomes the problem. This isn't about earning less. It's about where the extra money silently disappears. Psychologists call it the hedonic treadmill. Your happiness resets, but your bills don't. Step 1. The raise arrives. For a few weeks, life feels genuinely better. Step 2. Small upgrades creep in. A nicer car, a bigger plan, a few more subscriptions. Step 3. Within months, the upgrades feel normal and the raise feels like it never happened. That's lifestyle inflation. Your spending grows as fast or faster than your income. Now add comparison. You don't measure against your old self. You measure against richer neighbors. So your definition of basic keeps rising, quietly funded by money you could have kept. Here's the brutal part. A high earner who saves nothing is just a broke person with nicer things. Because wealth isn't what you earn. It's the gap between what you earn and what you spend. And every dollar of lifestyle creep is a dollar that never gets to compound for you. So what do you actually do? You break the loop on purpose before the next raise arrives. Fix 1. Pay yourself first. Move savings out the day you're paid before you can spend it. Fix 2. Freeze your lifestyle. When a raise comes, send most of it straight to investing. Fix 3. Run a quiet audit. For each expense, ask, does this serve me or impress others? You'll find a few upgrades you truly love, and many you only kept out of habit. Cut the habit ones, and you free up money without feeling a single day poorer. Direct that money into investing, and the treadmill finally starts moving you forward. The goal isn't to live like a monk. It's to make sure your raises buy freedom, not just stuff. So next time a raise lands, pause before you upgrade anything. Ask one question. Will this purchase still feel worth it once it becomes my new normal? Answer that honestly, and a higher salary finally starts making you richer, not poorer.